Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to order from Temu with cash on delivery. So meaning when you buy something and then you just receive it, inspect it so that nothing is damaged, so that the product that you bought is actually the one that you actually want. So to do that guys, of course you need to make sure to find a product that you wish to purchase. And also guys, before I can even go further, you need to understand that not all orders support cash on delivery. Some of them just don't. Let me just pause this. For example, also, if the order that you're trying to purchase is too high, meaning in price, then you won't be able probably to do this. And also, guys, not every seller on Temu actually supports this cash on delivery. So some just don't. Some just have this mandatory for you to pay with your card right away. So just fully prepay for whatever you're buying. But in general, you just select the item. Say I want to buy these shoes. I'm just going to choose this, gray, add to cart, then go to your cart. And in here, guys, as you're checking out, you will have an option for code, which is cash on delivery. So if it's listed in here, if it's available for you to order through it, you will see it. Not every country supports it. Just be sure to understand that. Keep that in mind. And of course, if you have this option, you just choose it, cash on delivery, and then probably will not pay for anything just yet, and you will after the order will be shipped to your designated location. And like this, you can just maintain your own safety, not pay for something that may be, broken or maybe the wrong size or whatever. And yeah, it's just much safer this way. And that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy your purchases on Temu. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.